Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 6th April 2026, Painguni Masam 23rd, Monday, Vishwasunama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishir Rudo, Painguni Masam Adava, Meena Masam, Krishna Paksham, Thidi up to 1:48 p.m. Chaturthi, then Panjami. Monday, Somavasram Nakshatram up to night 2:23 a.m. Anusha Nakshatram, then Ketai Nakshatram. Today is Rahuvalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyagalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today is Chandrashtam for Meshrashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kard. Sradhatadi Chaturthi Vradam. Today afternoon Panjami starts, special for Varahi. Om Sri Matre Namaha.